Today, we are starting a new series where we will explore one of the most debated and talked about conflicts in history, Israel and Palestine. This is a land where three of the world's biggest religions, Judaism, Christianity, and Islam, come together. It's a place that's sacred for millions, but also the center of many conflicts. Why is this land so important? And why have people fought over it for so long? In this series, we will uncover the history, the religious significance, and the political events that have shaped this ongoing struggle. Today, we will start with the basics, how this land became so special, and what led to the idea of creating a Jewish homeland. To understand why Israel and Palestine matter so much, we need to go back thousands of years. For Jews, Christians, and Muslims, this land is more than just geography. It's the heart of their faiths and traditions. Let's break it down simply. For Jews, this land, especially Jerusalem, is their ancient home. It's where King David established his kingdom and where his son King Solomon built the first temple. This city has been central to Jewish beliefs for thousands of years, representing God's promise to them. For Christians, Jerusalem is the city where Jesus Christ lived, died, and was resurrected. Sites like the Church of the Holy Sepulchre mark these events, making the city incredibly important for Christians around the world. For Muslims, Jerusalem is home to the Al-Aqsa Mosque, which is considered the third holiest site in Islam after Mecca and Medina. According to Islamic traditions, Prophet Muhammad ascended to heaven from this site, making it deeply significant to Muslims. This overlapping religious importance is why Jerusalem is so special, but also why it has been a point of tension for centuries. Different groups see it as theirs, and this has created conflicts throughout the history. Fast forward to the late 1800s, in Europe, Jews were facing discrimination, exclusion, and hatred. They were treated unfairly and had very few rights. This widespread mistreatment led to the rise of a movement called as Zionism. Zionism was the idea that Jews needed a homeland, a place where they could live in peace and safety. For many Jews, their ancient homeland, which they called Zion or Palestine, was the best option. Things got even worse in the 20th century. Under Nazi Germany, millions of Jews were killed in the Holocaust. This was one of the darkest chapters in human history. After such a tragedy, the world began to support the idea of giving Jews a safe place to call their own. This increased global backing for the creation of a Jewish state in Palestine. So far, we have explored the ancient history and religious importance of this land, and we have seen how the idea of a Jewish homeland grew stronger. But this is just the beginning. In the next episode, we will look at how these dreams clashed with reality during the British Mandate, leading to war and the division of the land. Stay tuned for the next video in this fascinating story. Please like, share, and subscribe to UPSC with Sagar.